Yes. I tried something different and I love it. Okay, let's get into it. So I used the Douce cream. It's a twist cream, and I use that for my hair. This time I just grab it at Target, and here we go. So I'm gonna use the best brush. Actually, that's the name of the brush. And the consistency of that cream is very thick. It's giving butter. It's giving buttery texture. It's very thick, and I went heavy on it. I don't know. Maybe it's the heaviness that I went that made my hair feel so cloudy, but it's thick, and I brush it in all the way, and I even added some to the ends, to make it stay put. So I twisted it. My intention was to twist and leave it, but then I thought about it and I was like, let me just put it in a Bantu knot to give it, that curly, so it's not just dropping. I wanted an afro. If you want afro that stays up, really full thick afro. And don't forget, I did not blow out my hair. This is just freshly washed, put up, and yeah, I did not blow out my hair. If I'd blown out my hair, oh baby, I believe it would have been bigger than this. But no, I did not blow out my hair. I left it, I twisted it up. I did not add any other product to my hair because this product promises to have, leave-in conditioner in it. So here we go. And I used the Magic Fingers jam for my edges, brushed it up, slept in this. Look at that. Just look at that jam. Okay, look at it. I slept in this, and guess what happened, guys? Guess what happened? It did not dry. That's one of the disadvantages of doing a Bantu knot without sitting under a hooded dryer. Anyways, I used the air glaze oil from my company, air glaze elixir oil. So put that directly to my scalp. I woke up and I was like, okay, let's see if this hair is dry. Okay, that's what I did. I just thought about it. Why not? I slept overnight. I woke up. I forgot I did not blow it out. So if you're like me and you want your hair to be put the next morning, make sure you blow out your hair first or sit under a hooded dryer. So this is the next day. Took some oil again, but this time around not directly on my scalp, just in my hands. Because remember, we didn't put oil on the direct hair. That was not it. So this is the time I'm just applying it on it. And yeah, breaking my hands through. And this is when I found out that my hair is not dry, but we're gonna go with the flow. You could just feel the moisture still there. It's not like soaking wet. It's just not dry, not fully dry, not 100% dry. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. And I still love it because I love a big hair. It's not fully big to its potential, but it grew bigger the next day, like literally the next day. But here we go. I got some definition and I love it. And I had to take it out quick because I was on my way to the Maverick City concert. And it was amazing. It was with Kirk Franklin and Jonathan McReynolds. A lot of artists came over and it was just so much fun. Yes. So this is me feeling myself. Thanks for coming. Subscribe, like, and do all of those beautiful stuff because I'm back. Baby girl is back. And that's my baby. And this is me acting out.